It's Dr. Clark, and I want to invite you personally to our Detox Your Life workshop. We're going to be focusing on two big things here. Number one, detoxifying your body. Number two is weight loss. And you asked me, what's the connection? Well, let me say this. Your body stores toxins in fat cells. And so then, if you have toxins stored in your fat cells, your body is not going to metabolize or burn that fat and release those toxins because it's intelligent. So with the proper detoxification process, helping your body to get rid of these toxins, then you can begin to actually burn the fat, lose the weight, get back what you're looking to gain. So we're going to focus on both of those. We're going to go into more detail with you later about the things that are involved and what areas of our life need to be detoxified. But for now, just get ready, put it on your calendar. It's going to be Thursday, February the 29th, 6 o'clock right here. I'm going to play a small part in this role, but my wife Rhonda, who is an author, who is a nutrition health coach, a detox specialist, over 20 years of working with nutrition, she's going to be the main speaker here, teaching you how to detoxify your life. And I hope to see you then. Until then, live life well, and God bless.